Dr. Hana. I wanted to talk to you about best floss to use. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you out there are using the Glide floss. Only downside is that it glides. It does not pick up the plaque like it should. You'll hear the click, thinking that you flossed. Yes, you did, but the plaque, unfortunately, is still on the teeth. And we've vetted a couple of different options, and we've come across Cocofloss. What Cocofloss is it is coconut oil around the floss. I'm showing you. I know it's hard to get it into focus here, but it's thicker floss, rarely shreds, and it literally gets the plaque off your teeth. It feels like you could see the plaque attaching to the floss itself. And to me, that's huge, because we have a ton of patients that brush and floss. They take care of their teeth. They're very religious about doing that, but unfortunately, they're getting gums that bleed still, and they're frustrated. And it was time to say, hey, maybe it is the floss, because it's not picking up the plaque like it should, unfortunately. And so we had a couple patients try the Glide, and they were very impressed with it. I mean, Cocofloss, and they were very impressed with it. But it's hard to get used to because it's thicker, but you can feel it as you're putting it in between your teeth. You can feel it taking off the plaque, which is really nice. I do recommend flossing first before brushing, so that you can get all the plaque to the surface, and then the toothbrush can give you a nice polish once you're done. Otherwise, you're left with lingering plaque in between your teeth, and that the floss may not get all together. So I'm going to show you guys a quick video of me flossing a fellow patient's teeth with Glide and then with Cocofloss, and you'll see the plaque coming off with the Cocofloss. The Glide, not so much, unfortunately. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Okay, now we're going to do Cocofloss. Can you see the plaque coming out? I'm going to show this. That's the plaque.